Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, we are going to upgrade the network adapters. For that, just go to search bar and type here device manager, then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to simply find out the network adapters. So here it is, just click on this to expand this and then right click on the particular driver device, select properties, then click on drivers, go to update driver and you can select the first option. If this not works, then go back and select the second one. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select the model, click on next. Once done, close all windows one by one and we will move to the next step. Simply right click on the start icon, then click on settings, then again go to the network and internet. Now just click on proxy and then we need to disable this option. Okay, you can also click on this and simply disable this. So once done, close all windows one by one. Again we have to open settings, again go to the network and internet, just go to advanced network settings, click on network reset and select the reset now. So are you sure you want to reset your network settings? So click on S and once done, it will show you Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So we need to restart the system. You can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will help you a lot. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.